Cheers. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, baby. We're here. We're back after quite possibly the craziest intraday bounce that SPY has ever had. Pretty crazy. I don't know if it's the craziest, but pretty wild bounce yesterday. CPI came out a little worse than expected. Everybody's like, okay, this is the end. Made a couple poor lows under 350 and squeezed all day long. What's up, Broda? Cheers. Discipline. Good morning. Good morning. JD, you're here early. Good morning. Oh, yeah. I gotta get the music. Come on.
Drip.
You didn't sleep again. Great. Great. It's great for your health. Bed after open. Yeah, it probably isn't going to be too wild on a Friday, but maybe. I mean, maybe. You guys take anything yet? Anything moving? They see an XA up 61. IMRA up 37. Yeah, yesterday open was boring, but then it kind of got a little action going. At this very second, I can't even think of what the hell I traded. Hey, Fernerky, what's up, AC? What the hell was it? Something was good yesterday. There were a couple things that followed through. Oh yeah, Rev ran. The meme stocks were trying to run a little bit, but there was another one. Another one. IMUX. That one had some nice follow through in the morning. Oh yeah, DWAC halted up. That halted up, and then we got Fun that pushed up a little bit, and Mark just barely pushed up a little bit. A couple of the pennies went. What was it? C something. I lose track of all these little shit pennies. But yeah, DWAC was really quick. Yeah, I was happy with that because that just, shows that some market action is returning. So IMRA here on the 5-minute is testing after hours highs from yesterday. Not sure why this is up. Let's flip over real quick. They're gonna do a merger from what I see. Yeah, but it kind of worded the PR weird. Like there's an 8K. Oh, I see it. Okay, it's way down here. There was like a ton of PRs that came out yesterday on it. But yeah, that's it. CTM. This one right here. Enliven Therapeutics and IMRA announced merger agreement. Cool. Good for them. I'm happy for them. I didn't see anything fresh that came out at 8 that I liked. What the hell is CTM? Is that an uplift? Gotta be. Or a reverse split? CTM? Yeah. Yeah, uplift. What's this public offering? I don't know. It's something. I think it's an uplift. Castellum. Oh, you were? Oh my god. So it halted T1 over here after hours. Oh my gosh, that is scary. That's terrifying, actually. I can't really imagine anything worse, to be honest. Especially if you weren't expecting something to happen. Oh my god. That is terrifying. Welcome in, everybody. It is Friday, maybe a little bit of a slower morning. We do have, I think, jobless claims this morning. Let me look at the old Broda calendar down here. JELD. That's not it. No, retail sales. Retail sales. So retail, month over month and year over year at 8:30. So we want that to be worse than expected. For all of the nonsense to be trickling in the right direction. So go over to the financial juice. Expected to be 0.2%, I guess, increase the way that's listed. And previous is 0.3%. REVB. REVB. Just getting slapped. Okay, the market is pulling back just a fuzz here, but we're holding the gains really well. Let's see. So this one, 347.9. Let's just say 348. No, 348. WKEY. And then it went to 367. We'll say in after hours. Let's say 368. That's 5.7% intraday move. Oh my God. I've never seen that before. I have never seen that. And I was looking at SPY chart yesterday, and there was one, what's it called, a Shrek boner, over here. When we went down to 400, I remember something happened this day. I remember this day. It was back in February. Wow, that's insane. But that put in a low until May when it did that over here. And it went from 410 to 428. So that's really, I mean, that's really close to the same. I think percentage-wise, it may be smaller, though, because the price was higher. But we put in a bottom all the way until May 3rd from February 24th. Hey, what's up, Mick? Good morning. That game was enough to put you to sleep last night. How did they have two of the exact same games? But I did see the ending was kind of cool. Biggest intraday swing since December 08. All right. I mean, that's one of those 08 statistics I'll take. Gotta go to the freaking monthly to see the. Yeah, so December, this was right here. So it still went lower for 2 more months on SPY, but then by March it was heading back up. But if you look at the weekly, you know I've been talking about the weekly, and I'm obsessed with the weekly and the 200 on the weekly. Look at this. Look at this. Would you just look at it right here? Close below, but a fake close below. We push back above at a weak ending, and then, oh, we're dying. We're dead. Hammer back above. So this 200 is very important on the weekly. I've been saying it over and over. Yes, it gave it up in 2020, but just very shortly. And then 2018 went straight to it. And I'm sure if this extended to here, it would be right underneath those candles. Well, I mean, to say that earnings would be worse would be the people are spending less, which means that the rate increases are working. In theory, you know. Where did that? What the hell? That was weird. Why is that just disappearing into the void? There we go. Let's go 20 years back on the weekly. Okay. Yes, the only time that we went under the 200 on the weekly, and it was because it got so close to it, is in 08. And it was under it for several weeks. But that was near the beginning of the fall. Like, it was still near highs because it had just kind of been this slow melt up. But anytime it's way above, it comes down, test it, pushes back up. Come down, test it here. 2016 pushes back up. 2018 pushes back up. 2020, the world's ending. There's a flesh-eating virus that's going to turn us all into zombies. Just kidding. You get a slight cough. A lot of people, if you're susceptible, may get it a lot worse. But it turned in, like, it was, it's going to wipe out the population type thing to, okay, you're going to be a little extra sick, and it's going to affect people that are highly susceptible type thing. And then we went right back above, and then now we've had this wild, jagged move down, but here we are. Just over the 200 on the weekly. Will we survive it? I don't know. No sleep, work 16-hour shift. Oh my god, man. In the emergency department too. Now, are you in an area that the emergency department is like constantly rolling? Or are you in an area like where it could be high or it could be not? Hey, Jordan, good morning. Happy Friday. Because if I'm working a 16-hour shift, I want to be doing something, you know, especially overnight. When I worked the state police, we all had to rotate the mid shift, and it was 10 to 6. And you did 7 days straight of 10 to 6. But if it was a, you know, kind of a wild night, it went by so fast. But if it was slow, man, you were sitting there just like trying to hold your eyeballs open, like drinking Bang Energy. A little bit of both. Numbers are starting. See, that's not necessarily a good thing, but the numbers in the ER are starting to ramp up. That's not a number you really want to see, but it does keep you busy. Non-stop until 5 a.m. Okay, see, I mean, I bet from XYZ until 5 a.m. passed pretty quick, though. It looks so dark in here. It's not actually that dark. Why is it like that? The day's getting shorter. It's definitely showing. Because I remember earlier in the year, I would come in here and the sun would be out. And I wouldn't have to worry about the lighting in here.
AUMN.
Oh yeah, they're getting way colder here. It's 48 today, but it was like 37 like 3 or 4 days ago. See, that's good. I've got a little space heater in my office that I keep here. It's like a tiny one. Basically a foot heater. Curtis Samuel got 2.6 points last night. Let's see where oil is. Let me actually pull up. No, it's not. CO1. So from a technical standpoint, it looks like it's ready for kind of a leg back upwards. It's interesting because it didn't really follow. I guess it did a little bit. This is from today. It followed the market back up yesterday a little bit. But it's still over this breakout line, kind of curling up. And I feel like the oil stocks really have stopped following it as closely as they used to. So the only thing that oil increase is doing to us now is increasing the gas and everything else, which is not necessarily a good thing. Oh my god, it's only been 18 minutes. There's literally nothing. I mean, I guess we could hit up an early Wordle today. See what we got.
GRWG.
Okay. Man, it's hard to think of an L, like a consonant L without an E at the end. I want to blow this. Bloom. Ooh, okay, okay. So, it could be sloon, maybe? That's not a word. I thought sloon was a word. So it's gotta be plume. Flute. Flute. Fleur. Fluey. Flute. Not looking at chat. I refuse. Let me think. Does it have to be PL? Guess it be. It has to be KL. Clute. Clure. Aloof, maybe? I don't know why that just popped in my head. Okay. Not aloof, but it is Floor. Floor. Got it. Why did I think of aloof? That would have been a very New York Times word to be aloof. All right, who got it? Who got it? Anybody get it? Lays. Yeah, Mick, that sounds like a good idea. Avoid everyone on Thursday. How did you get it so early for Nurky? I'm guessing you did. You get floor after I put glide in here? What's up, Jesus? Good morning. So a New York Times word it's just a phrase that I made up. What's up, Scott? Good morning. It's just like usurp, just these wild, crazy, off the wall words. Like ever since New York Times ended up getting Wordle. Yes, usurp was a very New York Times word. Just something that they like literally go to the dictionary and just like hit randomize and it pops up. Yeah, they just make up, just the hardest possible word you can think of sometimes. You got it on 3, okay. Yeah, Seattle will be cool. I'd like to go there as well. I haven't been anywhere like off the East Coast, really, in the U.S. at least. I've been to multiple Caribbean islands. I've been to Italy, Greece, Malta. Had a layover in Spain. Canada.
BBIG.
Is Hong Kong better than Tokyo?
CBO. JAGX. TMF.
Oh yeah, I forgot you were born there. Okay, gotcha. Completely forgot that. Jardines. Is that similar to sardines? Jardines Lookout on the 23rd floor. That's pretty cool. Living anywhere on the 23rd floor in a city would be cool. All right, we got about 4 minutes till that
UMC.
news drops. Retail sales. I just need to get a green screen, I think. Just completely block out the back.
GMBL.
UK's Chancellor Kwarteng resigns. Who's that? And what level is the Chancellor? Okay, so once it didn't go through, he could just quit. What a loser. What a loser. So is that like a lawmaker? UK, yeah, look at this, it's funny. Okay, so he's like a treasury secretary, kind of like Janet Yellen. UK's Chancellor Kwarteng has been sacked. BBC.
GEHI.
1 minute, 30 seconds.
ATXI.
Walter Bloomberg must be asleep this morning. I haven't seen him tweet all morning. ATXI trying to hit highs. It is, isn't it? Yeah, 288. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, it's trying to go right now, actually. 294. Where did that come from? Just kind of random volume last 10 minutes.
JDST.
actual 0. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. So 0% increase month over month. I would imagine the market would get a positive reaction on that.
TTOL.
ATXI pushing 3 here. 298. Yeah, so the way that I see that is, retail sales didn't increase month over month. And that is showing the Fed that what they're doing is kind of slowing everything down a little bit. Let's see what happened at 8:30. Anything fresh news-wise? Another TTOO PR. Interesting. So they just held up all these PRs until they reverse split. Pretty smart. Pretty smart. Novin announces abstract accepted.
PMT. NUWE.
That's about it.
UMC.
Market really didn't get a reaction at all off of that, huh?
NUWE.
Yeah, ATXI is going to go right now. $310. I had a quick scalp on it there. I actually got 500 left. Look at this breakout, baby. Market says I'm coming back, baby. I've been here the whole time just waiting.
BIGC.
Let's go. Come on. I only got 500 shares. I have 2,500 at 304. But I'm treating this just like I treat everything else right now. It's going to go 1 cent and it's going to kill me. Yeah, not dropping is a good reaction. You're right. You're right. It's just holding its gains from that 5% intraday yesterday. So we've got some room on this thing too. We're into the gap down. The gap's at 550. I don't foresee it feeling that, but it's into it. I think that's what's creating this chase, mentality, this thought process of, we gotta slap right here because we're entering the gap and the gap's to 5, yada yada. But something happened yesterday. Something turned on, like they went and booted up their Windows 95 computers, wherever they are. They dusted the top of them off. They blew it. The dust flew everywhere. The screen's the old screen that's like lighting up. But they turned something back on yesterday. Don't know what it was, but we're going to start trending in the right direction. I can just feel it. Like over the past month and a half, 2 months, 3 months, this move would have never happened. You would have got 295 to 260 to 270 to 250 to 3, go to 301, and then down to 240.
JFU.
Yeah, half the gap fill, which would be like 4. Is it gonna give it all up right now? slowing down here. Let's see. Oh my god, my order froze. Come on, TradeStation. Now it fills. You're gonna risk like 2 cents now. As soon as I rebought. Oh my god, my order froze again. Well, that's how today's starting. That's good. Old TradeStation, baby. Guess I gotta do a full reset. Cash. Oh my god. I swear to god. It's frozen.
TTOL.
Am I out or not? Oh, am I out or not? Well, that's fun. I love TradeStation, baby. I'm gonna do a full reset. Go ahead and delete all that other stuff out of there, the cash. Yeah, Trade Manager, I have it open. It showed I was in. It just freezes my orders. That's like a once a week TradeStation occurrence, though. You haven't had that happen? Oh my god, that happens so often to me. TTOO ripping now.
HL.
Yeah, the frozen orders, the gray order, the yellow order. Hey, Snacks, what's up? Okay. It's been a little bit since I've had that issue. I'm going to go ahead and restart everything. Got to delete
AMC.
cache. I swear they made this platform out of like Windows 95. All right, let's restart it.
PHG.
It's been a minute though since that's happened to me. I remember when I used to trade like super actively when the market was running like crazy. It would start filling me like super slow. It'd be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like filling one share at a time. That was the OG TradeStation days, baby. Well, I made it out of it from the first trade. I'm up $23 now. But just because that froze up on me. The old yellow order, baby. Let's see if it's still freezing. It's still acting slow-ish. It'll be back up in a second. It takes freaking forever. It's still being slow. What's going on? And I think it's only on this ticker.
THMO.
Up to celebrate my daughter's student of the month. Oh, nice. Congrats to her. Okay, we're back, I think. I think.
ATXG.
Nice. Look at this price action response to VWAP in the 20. It didn't have to go down to 280 first. It didn't have to box it up. It's holding levels. It's crazy. It's magic. Well, we're back up now. Anything else up? Okay. I don't want to listen to this song anymore. Yeah, this is trying to push back up here. Just the fact that any level is respected is just amazing. SLRX announces 1 for 25 reverse split today.
SLRX.
What's the float on that going to be? 2 million. 2 million float post RS.
Drib.
What is going on with TradeStation this morning? There we go. Okay. Nothing 845. Like this looks like a breakup. Are we gonna get another correct reaction? It's amazing.
RVL.
It's over $1 now? Oh, it's right at $1. Okay.
Figs.
What's Lay's up for this morning?
CUK.
Yeah, Lay's is trying to go over 5 here. AGFY trying to go over 1. Market pushing up now, finally. Hey, Striker, what's up? Did we put a bottom in?
Tark. LABU. Vito.
That is very important.
NCLHIRNT. DRN. CRBP.
That's a good question. How are they not making money? IMRA trying to push back up. Now this is going to be the ultimate test of price action. Is it going to fake break VWAP and do all that nonsense? Or are we actually going to hold pattern and break out? Yeah, I see that. It didn't come down though. It's trying to push back up. It could still come down. All right, maybe next 1 minute candle or so, this is going to show its face.
WEBL.
I'm about afraid to put an order in just because it's been so slow. That was almost instant though.
WKEY.
It is time for the hashtag ponytail push. I don't know where it's gonna come, but it's always out there, ready to strike. All right, let's see. What are you gonna do? It is definitely overextended, based on our recent action. Absolutely. We'll see if the tide's about to turn. Okay. What are you gonna do here? Needs volume influx. Beginning of the next candle. If this pattern's truly gonna break out. Big ask. Big-ish ask. Volume's kind of fading down here. Okay, ask down. And there it went. Pattern broke to the downside. And that's fine if the pattern broke to the downside. If the pattern is broken now, great. It broke to the downside. Don't have to worry about it. But if you start getting all of this and then highs, then we're just still right in the thick of it. And here we go already. Down to 3. Now what? Just be dead. If you're gonna be dead, be dead. Yeah. Pattern break into NHODs. Bitcoin almost back to 20K. 19,784.
Camp.
Look at the market. It is yeet o'clock. Yeah, this is surprisingly holding here. And it could still roughly, I guess, be in pattern. Very, very roughly here.
FTCHHIBS.
See what the 5 minute looks like.
Veto.
Go either way.
DKNG.
DraftKings. Oh my God, look at this. 370, baby. It's coming up right now.
SOXL.
So 600 shares. Man, we are ripping right now. SPY. I thought that would get a positive reaction. Just took a minute.
Hi. MNMD. BULZ. Riot.
There's 370.
CLH.
Yeah, why wouldn't something get a positive
Alright.
reaction off this? Some of the stocks that are actually up right now.
AAL. LAZR. WEBL.
Come on. Where's the volume at?
DRN.
There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, baby. Yes, sir.
AMC.
Taking 1,000. Oh, man. Come on. Don't do that.
CHPT.
Oh, they're attacking it. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls. Come on, Bulls.
GOTU.
24K bidder here. I like that. Don't want to see him get eaten, though. If he starts getting hit, I'm out. 20K ask as well. So a couple big bids, couple big asks. See who wins. See who wins. Come on. This is definitely helping. Seeing this. Just bringing buyer confidence in.
TARC.
This is already up, already in play.
DM.
It's got clear range, good volume. Doesn't mean it's going to go,
PRTS.
but it's going to give it a good shot. 371 over here.
NKLA. LABU. Eno. SEN.
It's struggling a little bit.
SLY. PTON.
Come on.
QBO. Sophie.
Yeah, my current play is off of this 25K guy. Not off of any chart, not off of anything else. I'm playing off of him. 25K guy here, 25K guy here.
UEC.
Does that mean they're trying to distribute? I don't know. We'll see. But you want to see this up through 312, and I think it will take off right here.
ILAG.
25 on the ask. Another 10K bidder. 24. If you see a big chunk out of them, it'll be really nice. 25 2 still. Like down to 16 or 15. People will take him. Still 25, 24. Oh, somebody swiped it all in one piece. Okay. Well, let's go then.
AVYA.
The mid gap will be like what, 450, 425?
HIBS.
Yeah, that hasn't worked in a long time, but it works like when there's momentum. Okay, I'm taking another 1,000 off. It's kind of looking a little toppy. Got 1,100 shares left. Yeah, I haven't been able to do what I do in a while. All right, see the bid side's way more stacked than the ask side. 320 is the only thing with anything. 17K, 18K. You got this 23 guy here. You got 8, you got 8. And of course, bids and asks can be pulled and level 2 can be manipulated. Sure, but when you have a momentum play on the positive end, let's make sure it doesn't have an offering here. No. All right, should be go time. Should be go time right here. Maybe that was the hesitancy, was a potential offering maybe right now. I doubt that would even happen, but. Really don't want to see this go under 310 now. If it does, I'll probably get out and just reposition later. See, the ask is starting to stack. 25 up here now. You got 10 here, you got 8 here. Still decent bids through here, though. See if they start getting chipped away. And this is normally like if you got really solid positive momentum on stocks. This is where you would start adding back in as close to your bidders as possible because your risk is minimal. And you just sell on them if you have to. But I don't trust it enough. Yeah, I don't want to core up. Just going to keep my 1,000 from 304 and see what happens. Okay, 10K. There we go. See, that's the positive reaction you want to see, even in continuation market that's hot. You come down to near the bids, and that's where you can reload. Play around a core. Scale on the pushes, reload on the supports. It's kind of flagging here. Maybe next 1 minute, or this 1 minute, could go through high of day. Not saying it will, and like as always, and I haven't traded in a while, so I haven't said it in a while. Don't blindly follow me. All right, here's high of day test on this 1 minute candle, as expected. This one or the next, at least. 320 broke, refresh though. Okay, through 320, 325's got a pretty big ask here. I'm gonna take 500 off. Feels good. Feels good to see this. This is what I want to do every day with you guys, but it just hasn't been possible. Okay, we're stacked up a little here, but look at this pot. We're starting to break loose now up through here on the chart. 325 should be easy. I'm still playing somewhat conservative. I didn't re-add. And I'm you know, cutting my position pretty quickly within, you know, reason. But we're up to 329, 330, 330 now. 350 will probably be next res. We are into this gap. The halfway point, I don't know. 4, maybe. But we're looking good. This is how continuation, volume follow-through trades are supposed to act. You're not supposed to drop 50 cents and hammer and trap and trade sideways. Just none of that. Just follow through what's going to follow through. What's breaking down, break down. I got 500 left. Oh, you're in too? Nice, Brota. It's got clear volume. It's got clear range. I would say roughly 450 was midpoint. You swiped the ass. Oh, yeah, okay. I remember I said somebody swiped it. All right, so potentially could get a retest of 320 here. That was your previous high of day. That was the breakout level. It can go 319, 318, but that would be the retest. Momentum looking very good so far, though. See these bids in here? 12, 20. Should be new high of day right here. Okay, bidder came up. Now, when you see a move like this in pre-market, sometimes I call it blowing its load in pre-market. That's kind of what it looks like it's doing right now. All right, as we're slowing down here. Oh, we're pushing through. I've got 300 left.
Doug.
215K bidders now. Nice support.
GOGL. SLRX. BLDP.
It should blow off to 350.
JFU.
FOMO plus squeeze. Yeah, already a big move. Okay, we're slowing down. If I see these guys start getting hit, I'm going to scale way down. I may get it completely out. Yeah, I'm getting out right here. Could go higher. Yep, I'll be right back.
STNE. CCNC. Fro. SIDA. NUSI. DBGI. APTX. ATXI. ADTX. GWAV. ILAG.
Okay. Yeah, that was fun. That was a lot of fun.
RETL. RMED.
And I mean, this is up 39%, nothing crazy, but it's got actual good price action and follow through. That's all we need. We don't need 1000% runners, constant halt ups, just decent price action.
DB.
Up until yesterday, this would have hit 320 and traded from 290 to 320 until like 3:20 p.m. and then finally went to 340 and died. Yeah, yeah, keep going. I hope we keep getting plays like that. It's not dead yet either, but I'm done with it at this very second.
Inning.
Yeah, I mean, I could have held 100 shares, but if it goes to, you know, 375, I make $30 more, which is good, sure. But to not have to watch every tick of it now
Aisle.
makes me feel a little better. All right, let's hit up today's Weddle now. I'm gonna pick the guy that I played last night and only got me 2 points. Oh my gosh, I almost got it on the first guess. I already know the answer. Well then.
KLC.
Man, I almost got it. It's like this close. He's on the other side of the field to him. Easy. I almost want another one just because that was so easy. Give me unlimited. I'm gonna have to think a little bit.
GMBL.
All right, let's go with Mac Jones. QB in the NFC, over 10, over 6'3", over 24. Could very well be Tom Brady. If this is Tom Brady, I'm going to be kind of upset. I don't want to get on the second guess. Okay. He's over 6'4"? What QB in the NFC is over 6'4"? I have no idea. NFC East. I don't think Dak is. I don't think Jalen Hurts is. Carson Wentz isn't. Daniel Jones isn't. He's under number 10. Okay, so number 11. Number 11. Who's number 11 quarterback? In the NFC. I'm blanking. At least I'm having to think a little bit. Number 11 in the NFC. Jared Goff, number 11? No. He's number 16. It's got to be NFC West then. What is going on? Who is 6'5" in the NFC East? Is Jalen? No. Yeah, Jalen Hurts is only 6'1". So it's either Dak, Carson, or Daniel Jones. No. Carson Wentz is 6'5"?
WKHS.
Okay.
IRNT.
I did not know he was 6'5". Dude should have been a tight end. I saw him truck that guy last night. IMRA and Lay's kind of look like the usual 2022 runner. They're trading within like a 5-cent range, not really moving. IMRA is trading between 360 and 360 or 370, and Lay's is trading between 490 and 505. Just stuck. It's completely stuck. Lay's has got 5.7 million volume. IMRA's got 7.8 million volume. ATXI, on the other hand, has 5.7 million volume, and it's up and moving smoothly.
AMRS. ODC. ATRA. APRN.
Apron just got a smack for some reason. Market's not over 370 still. It's holding its gains so far. Maybe come back down, test 368, breakout again. I made 460 up of that. Nothing crazy. I was playing, like I said, very conservative. Didn't take a full position to begin with. Didn't reload my position. And was out like 90% of my trade by 325 or 328 down here. But that's good stuff. That's where I want to be. That's where I want to be.
JFU. NTCO. Mark.
I'm surprised that we didn't get the hashtag ponytail push on DWalk this morning. That looks like something that he would hashtag ponytail push.
DLON. iPod.
Sober might be a watch. Okay. Cool. Cool, cool,
CGC.
cool.
FTCI.
How much time we got? 10 minutes? Okay.
JBLU.
Trying to do something to my camera.
C.
That actually works. Okay.
Figs.
I want to zoom my camera out a little bit so it's not like every time I move, like the top of my head's getting cut off. So zoomed it out and then cropped the sides off so it's not like crazy. So it looks like this. Huh. Now gotta stretch it. Interesting. No.
Soul.
That's the McDonald's picture you're seeing behind. Well, that's not gonna work then, huh?
ATUS.
Back to this, I guess. Okay, whatever. It doesn't matter if you guys see like the, what even is this? Oh, this is my PlayStation. You're saying PS4. Who cares? AGFY worth watching if it comes down to 92. Okay. Yep, very well could. It's a rough ascending. Like maybe the 15 minutes in ascending better. Yeah, so it's almost like a pennant actually. Yeah, look at that. A little bit of an outlier at the bottom, but it even extends over to here.
San.
Is it a rising wedge?
Stem.
No, because it is lower highs, I guess. So it's a pennant. So yeah, it could come as low as 90 even. If it follows pattern.
XFOR.
NTNX, big daily breakout yet again today. Phase 2 breakout mode. Is that the Alzheimer ticker you were talking about? Or no? No, that's BIIB.
RWT.
Hey Snacks, I wrote you a heartfelt message on your tweet just now. All timer looks good for another move too. Yep. Yep. So this is NTNX. All right, lift something.
SPRO. WTI. ABUS.
I said I sent you a heartfelt message on your last tweet.
SONM. Rum. IRNT.
Very important. Very, very important. You need to go look at it right now.
BKKT. BRLT. NKLA.
I didn't even realize BMRA had that news at 9:18. I must have been gone.
BRM.
Available in over 2,400 Walmarts. Okay, market coming down to the 368 level for a test.
BTBT. GSMGW.
Yeah, I just don't like the fees on there, man. Like, the free edition doesn't have any of that. And with you, where you trade like a billion shares per day, it would be like insane commission.
KPRX. BMRA.
Oh, I gotcha. Okay, cool.
EYEN. Beak. BXRX. AEG.
Yeah, that looks alright.
LITM.
I did it.
AUMN.
It did, man. It closed at high panel too.
LTRY. BRQS.
All right, 2 minutes to the bell. I'll be right back. One more second.
GMBL. NBTA. BOXL. LGMK. BRLT. DRIB. NUWE.
I'll probably upload that ATXI trade walkthrough that we did this morning. Just, you know, in case somebody missed it.
NAK.
Just because it was so clean and things reacted the way that they should react. And I actually got to go over my thoughts. I'll probably upload it as its own separate video. Let's see. Got an intraday here. IMRA. Oops, I got BMRA up. IMRA. Yep. Pushing down a VWAP here for open. All right, good luck, everybody. Here we go.
NBOS. HNW. APLT. RETA. IMRX. EVTTXI. CVO. TMTSIL. BRLT. IMRA. AVEO. Task. YSG. STWD. ATXI. BMRA. BMRA. ATXI.
ATXI pushed back up a little bit.
ODC. SOYL. TECL. GMBL.
Oh shoot, let me turn the volume down, my bad.
ARHS.
BMRA got a good push. IMRA kind of spilling a little bit. BMRA kind of wicky at the top. ATXI, let's see.
DPST.
Missed it.
IMRA. ATXI. NTNX. WISA.
I don't want to chase up here. Damn, I missed it. Missed it.
APLT. RVPH. JPLU. Adil. PMT. BLDP, HLBZ,
All right, APLT, JetBlue, Hellbiz.
GWH, EQS, TIGR, ATXI, AVEO, DVGI,
Man, hate I missed that. And it gave just a little bit of a dip too.
ATIP, GWH Plus.
All right, here's a retest of 368. Oh, you got 352, nice.
WAVD, APLD, NTNX, NOP, GFAI.
Yeah, it's coming for it right now. See if they trap.
STKL,
Yeah, they flushed it under. Let's see.
Semi, BMRA, Reda, NNOX, ITCB, Rev, CAM, BNKU, Sol, HLBZ, GGR, Sol, HLBZ, CGRN, ATXI,
I drew upper trend line on this one. Oh, I did on the 15-minute.
ETG,
Yeah, there we go.
IMRA,
It's up through that trend for now. It could definitely fade.
GGR, MLKN,
APLD on the scans. That's a crypto one.
NOP, AVEO,
Yeah, ATXI just went straight up.
YVR, IVES, NAUT, MVIS, HNW,
It's about to freeze my broker up. It's moving so fast.
OOTO,
I should have chased a little. Oh, actually, there's a big rejection there. Over 380.
HLBZ,
Okay, market fading a little bit. Wasn't there some UK release thing at 9:30? Their tax plan or something?
IOICO, MOND, NUTX, YE, NUWE, VBIV,
Lay's looks absolutely disgusting. ATXI looks kind of disgusting now.
ATXI, NTNX, OPAD, IMRA, EVEX, IMRA, LTRY, LYLT, OIG, CFX, Hill, ITCB, LDI, IMRA, NXTC, IMRA, Volt,
NUTX over 1.
GEHI,
Oh, did it fake break down on IMRA? It did. Oh, see, this is 2022, man. This is some trash man stuff right here. Good job, though. Good job. But look at that. That's disgusting.
NTNX, Shown. IMRA. PBLA. GCV.
400K bid problem, SPRO, interesting.
WBX. BCTX. BCTX. BKKT.
AGFY pushing 107. Maybe this is the breakout.
Neon. ODC. BRLT.
107.
COM. ATXI. ATUS. ASTR. NAVB. IMRA. RSLS.
Yeah, AGFY is trying to break through the setup here. It's at 106, 107. 65K bid at 105.
CRMD.
See if they smash it. 50, 30. Yep, gone. Wow. How lame is that? Oh, another 30K bid. What the heck's going on with this?
Job.
Yeah, I'm already doing some weird stuff. EGFY, I've got a little bit.
HYW.
It's up out of its pattern. 107's being kind of a pain. 107, 108, and then there's a wick at 115. Come on, get through that. Yeah, if they can get through this 107, it should be good to go. Trade to 240,000 shares at 107. 245, 259. It's a huge refresh, 107. Okay, we're through. 108. Yeah, these walls are heavier than they look. $109.
DTEA. Lays. ARHS.
IMRA, yeah, trying to fail. All right, I got my stop in here.
SKYX. ATXI. IMRA.
Look at the market. They got that 368 test. Straight back up to 370. Shoo! Sorry if I just blew your eardrums out. I apologize.
HIBL.
All right, I'm out of that.
TCN. TIGR. Bull. KFBG. JCSE.
ATXI trading sideways here.
WBX.
Bitcoin 19.7.
Retta. BBDC. DTEA. ATXI.
Cease.
FWRG. IMRA. RGF. CMLS. YTEN. UPXI. ILAG.
On ATXI. Come on.
SSNT.
Come on. Needs through 370 here. 68. Come on. 69. There's 370. Break 372. Man. Straight back down to 367.
SLDP.
It made me scale something. Okay, there's 373. I'm gonna do my stop for even now. This is still pushing up. This is kind of a slow and steady AGFY move.
Sit. IMRA.
Come on, ATXI. It's gonna come out and get me first. Yep. Oh well. Oh well. Thought that was gonna be the move, because if this candle would have opened 369 and pushed towards 380, this thing was going to 4 like within the next couple of minutes. But now looking a little worse. It could still go. It's just looking a little worse. I don't like to see this. Whatever this is. Good job on the entry on AGFY. I kind of gave up on it after the first push. All right, do I want to try to trade this one more time? Probably not, right?
BJDX. YTEN. IMRA.
That was the level to hold. Yep. Either. CTM was an up list. I don't know what's up with it. It looks weird on TradeStation.
RGF.
I hear you slapping Mullen. Snack. Excuse me. Ooh, I don't like that. What?
DRT.
They gave it up that easy? That push? Are we going to be stuck in a range today? We can go test this for all I care. 365.
MULN. IMRA.
I may be done. I'm gonna pull way back on the share size.
CMAX. Paul. CRMT. CMAX. IBBD.
Just want to get to a market to where we got good price action, and I never, ever have to pull up SPY. Never. Don't want to see it. Don't want to think about it. Don't care. Shouldn't matter.
West Northwest.
Yeah, AGFY has got some room. Especially after breaking out of a 15-minute pattern like that. I guess I gave up on it too quick.
AGFY. PRTH.
117. Wow, imagine if that would have happened when I was in. It wanted to pull back, though, and retest the breakout level, it looks like. So it went up. Yeah. Yeah, down to 104. Actually, it went to 103, I think, when I was in. I think I got out right here. I should have chased that Pixie volume. I saw what they were doing.
West Northwest DLNG AGFY.
West, Northwest. Oh, SPRO. Is that what you're talking about, the bid prop? Yeah, that's a good move on AGFY. Didn't like that move to 103. That's what got me out. Okay, ATXI may be done. Maybe done.
QNGY.
Man, I could have had Pixie like 1170, but the bid was nothing, and the ask was like very small. I could have got like 500 shares though. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if Tesla did dump after earnings. Maybe down to 200. His focus is on Twitter right now.
AGHY.
My God. Why didn't it do this to begin with? We had to do all of this before it finally broke through.
ATXI. AGMT. SIOX. CABA. IBIO. Poly. ASXC. ONBO. AGFY. CABA. ALRN. QUMU. FLJ. AVEO.
Okay. Now what?
LBTX. West Northwest. CTM. LBTX.
Are we still set on algo sell everything on Friday?
ATXI. DRMA.
Surely not.
JHAA. BRLT. ICBX. IBIO. ICBX. HYW. GRTX. Left plus. CHMI. GRTX. SPTKW. IMRA.
ATXI trying to push again. 367.
DPSI. ATXI. FLJ. ATXI. SPTKW. SPTKW. NBY. NBY. MDNA. West Northwest. West Northwest. IMRA. MRK. IBIO. SPTKW, NRBO, ILAG.
Yeah, ATXI is on the cusp of one thing or the other. It's about to full fail or it's about to rip.
BRLT, ILAG, STRY plus NBY,
366.
DPSI, DFLI, ATXI, BRLT, DFLI, KBNT.
It's struggling a lot with 368, 369. Big ass there, though. 12K, 32K, 6K, 18K. 3370, though, it's going high today. Why does the camera look so insanely dark? Yeah, it's pretty low. It's pretty low. Maybe I should do this and go to here now. I can double check, but I think it's pretty low.
PSTX.
0.71 million. 710K. It seems thicker than that.
ATXI, STSA, STSA, STSA. PTTMHHW. Pick.
It's trying its best to break 370. Kind of struggle busting it right now, though.
HLBZ. TMCWW. PC.
Shorts are attacking hard 370s, but it's trying to push back up.
GEHI.
Shorts may have got it right there, though. Yeah, I think they did. I think they put just enough into it.
OVLY.
I don't see it going higher now.
SRZN, FRG, BMRA.
Still trying to, man. My God.
PSTX.
Yeah, I mean, you got to fill it out, Broda.
FRG. Test. Sequel. SOTK. AQST. FRG.
The way they're shortening the 370s, if they can get it over 380, this thing's going to blow the top.
ACNT.
This is it right here if it's going to go. 377, 78.
FGEN. FRG.
They just can't quite get it there. Nope.
ATX.
Wow, man, they have it so close.
CLST. GLTO. GLPA. GLTO.
Risking like nothing now. I'm only going to do like 500 shares.
DLTH.
That's got to be it. Nope. They're still trying to smash it down.
Kava.
76.
MBRX.
Come on, one swiper. Get us through. 78. It should go straight to like 384, 385 through this. 12K, 10K, 5K, 378. I don't like it. I'm scared.
ATXI.
I'm just so traumatized from this market. I can't hold it. Even with 500 shares. See how it's slow? It should have just destroyed that. Maybe they're still trying to short until high of day. Is finger blasting?
TMC.
It is. Sure is. This thing trying to go highs now. It's kind of weird. Took that long. IMUX pushing back up to 1050.
IMMX, ATXI.
Wow, there it goes. Man, it was so slow for a breakout. That much volume. And that's all it did. It's crazy.
YTEN. PW. SBFM.
Sober flag. Okay. Finger. Yeah, he is trying to finger blast right now.
IMRA. TMCWW. ATXI. OPILAG. SIDA FRLN. IMMX, ATXI. IMRA.
There's 4.
BSFC.
Super slow, but it got it.
ILAG. MRKR. SBFM. IPWR. OXBR. 4. ATXI. IMRA. ATXI. MRKR. SIOX. PET. Note plus.
All right, nothing's really breaking upwards now besides ATXI, and it's just kind of floating now. Let's see.
DLNG. STRT.
I'm going insanely small now, but most of my trades are losses now.
POAI. HIBS. YTEN. ATXI. Biafu. YTEN. IMRA. TUEM. SID.
Yep, they're starting to fade a little bit now. Maybe come down to this level and test it.
BRLT.
Maybe. We'll see. Hope it's a fake out here. Right at 10. It starts reversing.
SNES. Walt. CKPT. ATXI. NUO. RTLPP. IMRA. SBFQTEK. Kala, IMRX.
Yep, straight down now. What's happening?
PXS. POAI. Kava.
U.S. one-year inflation expectations has risen. Okay.
ATXI. Pine. Pixie. KPRX. KPRX. Kava. DDC.
All right, well, on that note, everything's slowing down. I'm done. Hope you guys had a great week. Thanks for being here all week long. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the comments, as always. Thanks to my members of the inner circle, the elites. Appreciate my donors. Thanks for just showing up. Really appreciate it, guys. Hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you back here on Monday.